If you've seen players using Huggy Wuggy in Fortnite and want to know how to get it, here's the truth. Huggy Wuggy is not an official Fortnite skin made by Epic Games. You can't unlock it through the item shop or battle pass. However, there are a few ways you can play as Huggy Wuggy or use similar content inside Fortnite. First, open Fortnite and go to the Creative or Islands section. Use the search bar and type Huggy Wuggy. You'll find community-made maps where players have created Huggy Wuggy characters and horror experiences inspired by the Poppy Playtime game. You can enter those maps by copying the island code and pasting it into the Island Code tab. Once you load in, you'll be inside a Huggy Wuggy themed game mode, often with chase sequences, puzzles, or survival challenges. If you want to use a Huggy Wuggy skin for fun videos or creative content, some players use custom skins in private lobbies through third-party mods. But be careful, these are not supported by Epic Games and could get your account banned. So it's always safer to stick with creative maps or cosmetic combinations that look similar to Huggy Wuggy, such as using a blue monster outfit, glowing eyes, or big smile emotes. To summarize, Huggy Wuggy is not an official Fortnite skin, but you can still experience it in creative maps made by players. Just search for Huggy Wuggy in the creative section, copy an island code, and jump in to enjoy the horror experience inside Fortnite. That's everything you need to know about Huggy Wuggy in Fortnite.